How to view and use the physical keyboard shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on general management. After that, scroll down and tap on physical keyboard. Next, tap on keyboard shortcuts. This will show explanations of the keyboard shortcuts on the screen. So here there are two different sections. We've got the system shortcuts and the app shortcuts. So for system, to go home, you can press on the command plus the return key. Command plus the backspace key will allow you to go back to the previous screen. To open up the recent screen, you can tap on the Alt and the Tab key. To close the current app, you can tap on the Alt plus the F4 key, and so on. So scroll down in here, there are a lot of different shortcuts that you can use. And if you tap on the app section or the app tab, now in here there are specific shortcuts that is designed for the specific app. So for example, if you are using Samsung Internet, you can use Command plus the B. For email, Command plus E. For search, Command plus F, and so on. And that's it. So go in here and learn other shortcuts that you could use with the physical keyboard. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.